Hello, cookies. That's what I call my YouTube friends. Welcome back to another video. And I got 2 new bags by Coach, and I got 2 new shoes by Coach. And I got some Love Shack fancy that I'll do in another video. I know I've been behind in my Love Shack fancy for all of you that's waiting. I'm coming soon. Your girl been busy. Anyway, let me tell you, Liz from Nothing But Bags, she been telling me since this bag came out that I need this bag. I should get this bag. Then she bought the bag. And then I was convinced when I saw the sale price. I couldn't resist. So let's get into it. Let's get into this unboxing. I'll tell you guys, it's the Crosby. I don't know. I think they have 2 different sizes, but this one looks gigantic. It looks big. Now, the reason I like a good sale, so that's one of the reasons why I didn't purchase the bag right away when it came out. And I'm not a real good fan of drawstrings on backpacks. I like zippers. But anyway, this bag, I seen it when it first came out. And yes, I adored it, and I thought it was the sweetest, the cutest, the most adorable bag. But when I seen her, and she was holding her bag, hugging her bag, just all over her bag, I said, that bag looks so good. I got to get that bag. And I found this, where did I find this bag? Was it on Coach? I think it was on Coach. Yeah, I think I ordered it from Coach. It was on sale for, I think $197. And the bag originally cost, let's see if we got the tag. Oh, here's the tag. The original price is $4.95, and it's in black. And this is the little tag. Let's see if I could get close to show you guys. And then this is what the back looks like. This is the bottom. It's huge. Oh my goodness. And then these are the straps. Oh, it's so adorable. Oh my goodness. So, it's now mine. I'm going to keep it, of course, because, I waited for it and I watched it. It has a magnet front pocket here. They look pretty roomy. Look how big the paper is that came out. And the leather, this feels like some type of fabric, but listen to the magnet. Yeah, this bag is huge. It's huge. Oh my goodness, it's huge. Look at all this paper. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna make a mess with all this paper. It has a back pocket here. With the Coach Creed. So yeah, I'm going to have to take it out into the sun. Oh, the magnet is pretty potent there. Yeah, but anyway, I'll link her video on what she had in her bag. And stay tuned, your girl. I'm going to move into this next week. The weekend, I'm off. I'll be kicking it. Well, I work Saturday, but Sunday I'm going to be kicking it with my cousin, so I'll probably be wearing a smaller bag. But next week, I promise your girl, I can't be making all these promises I can't keep. So I'll do what's in my bag on it. I have some really cute ideas. Sorry for the close-up though. But anyway, this one, I couldn't resist. I have been looking at this one, and they finally had it on sale. See, that's the thing about Coach. If it's something you really want and you wait long enough, you will get the bag at a sale. But you might not get the color you want, but you will get the bag sometimes. And if you're like me and you're always stalking the stores, this is the denim one. Oh, I've been looking at it. It's so like jeans to me. It's like the typical blue jean, and it has this, and it has the little leather tabs. I'm gonna try not to make a mess because your girl got to go soon. It has the blue in the inside. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It even comes with a dust bag. Yes, so this bag, I will be spraying it before I wear it, at least twice. Um, but yeah, this is the Coach Denim. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to have this bag. I love denim, but you know, I'm funny. I'm moody. I'm like, at first I wasn't feeling this because I don't know, because I didn't like this just one pocket. I really like two pockets, and the way the pocket is, I wasn't feeling it. But then when the price came down, I was like, yeah, I guess I'm feeling it. I guess I'm feeling it. But anyway, this is the second bag. So let me get the shoes. I got two pair of shoes. Your girl's trying not to make a mess before I go to work. Hold on. Please hold. Okay, so here's the box. And I ordered this from Coach. I'm pretty sure these were on sale because your girl like a sale. Your girl, I truly like a sale. I like a discount. I like a deal. So this is the box. Ah! You got two pair of Coach shoes. Shoe one and shoe two. And these boxes, oh my goodness, I got so many boxes. I want to have a sale. So I've been trying to save my boxes. Anyway, these are a 9.5. These are the lock up 2-band sandal in black. Now I do have another black sandal that I bought this year. They're called the Fisherman's, but they have a height on them. So I was thinking on my next vacation that I go on that I might be able to wear these more because they're low heel. This is what they look like. They have the Coach at the bottom. They have Coach here. My girl Dazzle Me 77, she could change this to silver or gold. She got skills. So yeah, it's a flat heel. So I'm gonna have to try these on, and I'll show you guys what they look like. They're cute. What kind of buckle do they have? Is it gold? No, it's a silver. It looks like it's a silver buckle. So yeah, these are it. These are cute. I love the way these shoes feel. I think I have a couple. I have another sandal that has this like sole-like, but it's different design. But the shoe is comfortable. So I was just looking for a nice walking shoe so I could be like going out for like dinner to be a little dressy, but I can walk for a long time in it, is what I was looking for. And then this one is, now I passed on these shoes a few times, but the price was really good. So I figure I can order them, try them out, and see if your girl like them. And if your girl don't like them, then I might have to take them back. But I'm going to just, walk around and see how I like them. But these are the Signature Sport Sandals in the powder pink. And I also got a 9.5. And I usually wear a 9.5, especially in sandals. And I think Coach sandals run on the narrow side. So these are them. And I did try them on before, but this part right here kind of hurt my little toe. So I'm going to try them again and see. They have Coach at the bottom here. They're nice little flat. They're comfortable. As you can tell, they both have the same type of base. And I like that chunky look to them. So yeah, this is them. These are so cute. Yeah, I like the padding, the leather on these. So this is like canvas, but I think the inside has like a leather or something. So that was my little Coach haul. So thumbs up the video. And I look forward to seeing you cookies in the next video. And don't forget to check out my girls that I mentioned. Nothing But Bags. Liz, she's awesome. She's cool. And Dazzle Me 77, my sisters. Those both are my sisters. And yeah. Peace out. Deuces.